Now let us see the 64th one, statement 1. Acid strength increases in the order as given below. Okay. HF, HCl, HBr, HF. Okay, this is the statement 1. Now let us see the statement 2. As the size of the elements fluorine, chlorine, fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine down the group increases down the group, the bond strength of HF, HCl decreases, so that acid strength increases. When you compare, it's an fluorine is small size bond to each other, chlorine having the big size, bromine having, by from top to bottom, the size of the fluorine, chlorine, bromine increases, the bond strength, this bond strength is weakens. That's why it easily gives H plus ions when compared to the this H of H plus ions. That's why its acid strength order is Hi greater than HBr greater than HCl greater than HF. This indicates the statement 1. So now let us verify the given options. Statement 1 is incorrect. This option is eliminated. Why? Because statement 1 is right according to the statement 2. Both the statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Yes, absolutely. Statement 1 is true and statement 2 is the correct reason for above given statement 1. So 1 and 2 are true. So our answer is 2. Now let us verify the third option. Statement 1 and 2 are false. This is not the correct answer. Eliminated. Now let us verify fourth one. Statement 1 is right, absolutely, but statement 2 is false. No. Statement 2 also right. That's why option 4 is also eliminated. Our correct answer is option 2. That is both statement 1 is right and statement 2 is the correct explanation of statement 1. So both the statements are correct.